What would happen if you stop eating sugar for at least 1 to 2 weeks? Well, if you stop eating sugar for at least 1 to 2 weeks, there will be noticeable changes in your body, your mood, and your entire life. It would be incredible. Studies show that sugar is more addictive than meth, cocaine, and heroin, and it's a danger to your health. Sugar releases the feel-good hormones, serotonin and dopamine, and it's making your body think it's getting rewarded when it actually is craving more and more. So here's what can happen if you stop eating sugar for at least 1 to 2 weeks. 1, you'll have better brain power and mental clarity, and that's because refined sugar alters your brain. 2, your skin will look better, and that's because sugar deforms collagen and elastin. 3, you'll have more energy. 4, you'll sleep better. 5, you'll be less hungry. 6, you'll lose weight and belly fat. 7, your mental health and moods will improve. And 8, your desire for sugar will disappear. Try this for 1 to 2 weeks and let me know what happens.